Welcome back, guys. What's up? Today I'm here with AtinaHair again. This is my second time with AtinaHair. The first time I tried a headband wig from them. So yeah, today, and I really love that headband wig. But yeah, today I'm here with them again. It's basically the same packaging. It says your one-stop human hair wigs supplier. Sorry for the background noises. So when I open the box, I see the wig same time. So jump into that. So I see a headband. I think I got this same headband from them, or I have this headband already, but yeah, I got this. It's really nice. I got a elastic band. This is really good. Comes in really handy when you're tying down your edges, especially when you want it to melt. This is the wig that I got today, and as you can see, it is a 360 wig. Kinky straight. It's 18 inches long and it's 200% density. It's really thick, guys, really thick. Definitely for all the people that love the more natural, like natural, strong, coarse feel, this wig would definitely be for you. The construction of this wig is pretty nice. It's standard. It has a total of 4 combs on the inside and adjustable straps in the back. So natural, like it looks so natural. Loving that. I'm gonna go in with my flat iron when I'm all done, like with, you know, applying the lace, when I'm ready to like style it to get a nice, you know, that blown out natural girl look. Yeah, so this was what I was saying this is good for, but this is a little short, so I'm just gonna hold it down on it for like just like a minute. I'm not able to, like, it's not long enough so I could hold the back or tie the back, you know, that would be perfect. But if you can go to like the fabric store and get this, so you can have yourself a long piece and you can use this to like melt your lace in. It's really handy. So yeah, so I'm just gonna go ahead and cut away the excess lace. my flat iron. We'll go ahead and like put this in a ponytail, guys. It is a 360 wig, so don't be scared to go ahead and put it in a ponytail. Before I straighten it, I'm gonna tie down my edges with a wrap strip just to ensure security. Like absolutely no lifting. This is like butter. I know I say that a lot, but isn't it? Like, it's gorgeous. Guys, I love how full this is. It was so easy for me to straighten, honestly. So yeah, AtinaHair, this quality is like 200% approved by me. It's really nice, and as I said before, you guys can go ahead and like put this in a ponytail. So like, yeah, so I'm going to put all the specifications on this wig again down below in the description box as usual, so you guys can feel free, go ahead, check it out. The direct link to the wig will be there as well, so check that out. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Just want to stay tuned, go on, pick up yourself, and I'll see you guys in my next video.